What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the brake/rear turn signal bulb number 7443, and the reverse bulb number 7440, in a 2014 Chevy Impala. If you're looking for the rear parking light bulb located in the trunk lid, see my other video, link in the description. The procedure for these bulbs is exactly the same. They are both located in the same taillight housing, right next to each other. First, open the trunk lid. Then go to the back of the car. There are two plastic pop rivets and two cargo net screws that must be removed. Remove the plastic pop rivets with a pop rivet pry bar or a flathead screwdriver. I use this small crowbar, which works well. Next, remove the two cargo net nuts by screwing them off by hand. Then, work your way around the carpet liner, pulling it away from the body to expose the back side of the taillight housing, where there are two round light bulb sockets. This one, closest to the center of the trunk, is the reverse bulb. Rotate the socket counterclockwise, then pull it straight out. Pull the bulb straight out of the socket. The replacement bulb is 7440. Push the new bulb straight into the socket, and reinstall the socket into the housing, rotating it clockwise to secure it. This one, the farthest from the center of the trunk, is the brake/turn signal bulb. The procedure is exactly the same. The bulb part number is 7443. Push the trunk liner back into place, reinstall the cargo net nuts, and reinsert the plastic rivets by pushing them back in. Now you're all set. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.